this is Enigma protocol, an end-to-end chat messenger made with Flask, Socket IO, and Vue.js. So if we talk about its working, it encrypts chat using RSA encryption, and the encryption and decryptions take place on the client side. So we have basically two part of this project. One is client side and another is server side. The client side is made is with new front end like Vue.js, and the backend side is made with Python and Golang. Basically, I have two implementation. One in Python and another is in Golang. The key exchanges, public and private key exchanges, take place using Diffie Hellman key exchange. I use Socket IO, or you can say WebSockets, to exchange the messages. If we browse the code of client, you can see we have a Node.js application, that is Vue.js, and I have written all my code inside the source directory, and I have tried to split the code into various routes and views. For the server side, I use a database. I use basically SQLite database to store all the public keys used between the exchange. One implementation is Golang and another implementation is in Python. The Python implementation is pretty simpler. It uses Flask and Flask Socket IO. As you can see in the main file, I use Flask and Flask Socket IO, and it stores some data, some tokens in the database. Okay, I use WebSocket to handle messages and exchange chat messages. The front end is deployed on GitHub pages using GitHub, and the backend is deployed on the Azure platform. So if you see here, this link is for Azure platform, the backend. This is the status page that returns OK. The other one is front end. If I click on the initiate protocol, the chat messenger will show up. It connects with the backend. This is hosted on protocol.onpy.n. So let me initiate the protocol. So as you can see, a chat messenger is shown up. To demo you the chat exchange, what will I do? I will copy the user ID. This is a user ID. So I will copy this user ID and create another chat application, initiate its protocol, and put my user ID here. I will add it, and the user is added. If I type hello message, the hello message will reach out to the other user. Here you can see hello. So here we can communicate anonymously, and this chat is end-to-end encrypted. So this is a good demo and brief introduction about my project. I hope you like. So this is the Enigma protocol, the end-to-end chat messenger, end-to-end encryption.